So today we will unbox and check out a pair of Apple AirPods Pro clones. These wireless headphones are true wireless earbuds, as you can see, and they have hi-fi sound quality and are made for both Android and iOS and Windows. And as we can see on the side of the box, comfortable to wear, hi-fi sound quality, long battery life, and small and light. High precision audio, 4.5 hours of listening time when listening to music. Then you need to charge them again in the charging case. So let's start by unboxing them and then later on check them out and do the setup with my iPad and also eventually pair them with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus to see if they also work as great on Android as on iOS. So the iPad and the iPhone will be the same setup and so on, so I will choose the iPad for this video. So let's open the box. I can also say check out the links down below in the description text where you can buy these. So let's see, we open the box. Not as easy. Like so. Here we have some instructions. Let's see if they are in English too. Yes, instructions in English. That's nice. And we have some warranty and other stuff here. And here we have the earbuds itself and the charging case. Whoa, same weight as the original, the real Apple AirPods Pro. And almost the same kind of case, not exact the same design as you can see. This will be very interesting to try actually. Feels nice. And after doing all the setup and testing and so on, we will also compare them to the other headphones I have here. The original Apple AirPods and Apple AirPods Pro and the Thing Plus TrackPods from Lenovo. Okay, so let's check these out later on. Let's see what's more in the box. Let's open them. Here we have a charging cable and some silicone tips, rubber tips in different sizes. That's nice. Let's start with the charging cable. Very short, but it has a USB Type-C, what it looks like. So that's nice. And here we have the silicone rubber tips that we should mount on the AirPods itself then later on. Nice. So let's check them out in the charging case first. Whoa, feels nice. Open the box. Oh, easy to remove them from the charging case actually. Really easy. Nice. And you have a silicone tip mounted already. Awesome. Really awesome. This is the right version. And they have also active noise cancellation, says the manufacturer. I don't know how to activate that, but we will see that later on. So that was the unboxing. Here we have a pairing button. It's nice. So let's see how to pair these to the iPad. Here we have the brand new iPad Air 4, iPad Air 2020. My favorite device, my main computer. My only computer, in fact. So let's see how to pair these. Let's go into Bluetooth settings first. Settings, Bluetooth. And then open the box. Well, these are the buds. I know that. ANC007s. So let's put them in the ear while pairing. Very easy to use, and they speak to me. Now it says transparency is on, but I don't think that actually is true because I don't hear anything actually. Now I have noise cancellation on. Well, I hear even less now. Here you can change the name of them if you want to anything else. Here you can choose the device type. So as you see, very easy to pair, very easy to choose the different modes, transparency and ANC. Just use the touch button on the stem, so that works great. So now let's test these with some music. Oh shit. Wow, really good bass. The bass is awesome. The volume is very high on them. So the volume, as I said, is very high. You can't have much volume on because they are so high. I guess that could be good for some users. I don't get the transparency to work though. Transparency mode, it doesn't do any change, any difference at all. But I can highly say that the sound quality is actually very good in these. Really good sound quality. And they fit my ear perfectly fine with these rubber tips on, this size of rubber tips. So the pairing of these was awesome actually. It was very easy to pair them. And very easy to remove from the charging case too. So let's see if it's so easy to pair them to an Android phone too as it was with an iOS device. So let's go into the Bluetooth settings on this Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And here we have all the Bluetooth devices, and as you can see they show up immediately on my Note 10 Plus. The difference there, you saw that the difference was that you have to click on pairing, but you didn't have to do that on the iPad. But now they are actually paired. Let's see if ANC and such works. Yes, it did. I don't get any difference here either between the ANC mode and the transparency mode actually. Maybe that's just fake, I don't know. At least I can't hear any difference actually. But maybe it works, I don't know, who knows. But it says a voice when touching the touch buttons on the stem, but I don't hear any difference. Let's go into the settings. As you can see here, you can choose for calls and for audio. That's what you can choose. Maybe I should play something on the Android phone too to hear if there is any difference in sound quality. as I said, really high volume. So if you want to have some wireless headphones with really high volume, then these are the way to go, because they have an extremely high volume. You don't need to have much on this to hear the music loud. Well, so that worked too. So they are very easy to pair with also on Android phones and not only iOS devices. And the touch button works great, but I don't hear any difference between the ANC mode, active noise cancellation, or the transparency mode. I don't hear any difference actually, but the voice says that I turn that off and on and so on. So let's compare these with the other AirPods and headphones I have here. First, compare them, the charging cases. As you can see, the biggest charging case is for these new Chinese AirPods Pro clones. Really big compared to the biggest I have, AirPods Pro here. As you can see, a lot thicker and larger still. But I think that could be good, because then the battery life could be really good on these. So my guess is that these can be really good actually. And the first AirPods, the normal AirPods, is, as you can see, much smaller case. And these AirPods 3 clones I have already made a video about. You can see that on my channel. These has the smallest case, as you can see. Really small case, but also the worst battery life. So these are very promising. So check the links down below where you can buy them. Now compare the earpieces. Let's take the right and compare that to the original, the real AirPods Pro. As you can see, quite the same design. The stem is even shorter actually, really short, as you can see. I didn't think of that. And here is the other side. As you can see, they are almost the same design, but the reel has some other design elements as these don't have. But I like these. I think they are worth the price you pay. They are very cheap to buy. Check the links down below again where to buy them. I can highly recommend buying them actually. They are really good for the price you pay. We can compare them to the original AirPods. As you can see, quite a lot shorter stem. As you see. But as I said, the silicone rubber tips sealed every sound from the outside when I have them in my ear. So that could be quite annoying wearing them for a longer time because you don't hear anything. And here we have the AirPods 3 clones, I call them. As you can see, quite short stem. That's about the same size of stem. And in fact they look quite identical if you remove the silicone tip maybe. But on this side you can see the diamond shaped. Check the video on my channel about these. So that was what I have for this video. Once more, check the links down below where you can buy them. go do that, and please like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more subscribers, so do that. Thank you.